Welcome to VIVE Talk. Today, let's dive into the world of Song in the Smoke, with visuals designed by the talented Katsuya Terada, also known as the Dodo King. You find yourself in a starkly beautiful place upon entering the game. As you venture further, you'll come across deer drinking at watering holes alongside purple feathered bipeds. You might also catch a glimpse of a beast so huge that it looks like a boulder. Song in the Smoke puts survival in your hands. Follow the footsteps of the three-headed crow and explore every scenic but dangerous corner. Brew potions, pick up supplies, and craft weapons to prepare yourself for battle against the lethal creatures. You could attack from a distance with your bow, or use your wits to sneak past them. Predators lurk in the gloom, watching from the shadows cast by your flickering torch. They're joined by something else, something primal that stalks the midnight hours. In Song of the Smoke, the hunted also becomes the hunter. Use your senses to stalk prey, track their smell, follow their footprints, and plan your strike. When you're ready, show off your skill with intuitive and responsive VIVE controllers that enable you to take the perfect shot. Travel between wildly different environments as you follow your ancestors' guidance and uncover the secrets of Song in the Smoke.